Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Paneer Press is probably one of the most essential tools for any home cook who loves Indian cuisine. This simple yet effective gadget allows you to effortlessly create perfectly pressed paneer, a fresh cheese that's the star of countless delicious dishes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this tool will elevate your cooking game and make homemade paneer a breeze. Number 5. NOYA Adjustable Tofu Press. This tofu press uses a simple twist to remove water in just 10 to 30 minutes. The strong stainless steel spring provides an even press, resulting in perfect, crack-free tofu. It's designed to enhance both flavor and texture. The patented openable U-drip tray makes it easy to place and move the tofu without it crumbling. The tray's base also keeps the pressed tofu from sitting in the drained water, ensuring it stays fresh. With the convenient pour spout on the lid, you can easily drain the water without opening the press. This feature helps maintain the tofu's shape and makes the process cleaner. A clear water catcher collects all the drained water and fits nicely in your kitchen. The depth markings on the silicone knob allow you to choose, observe, and record different levels of firmness for your tofu. The marinating lid keeps the tofu isolated from other food smells while marinating in the fridge. The transparent container with a sealing lid can also be used as a convenient food storage container. What we like? This press removes water quickly and evenly, ensuring your tofu is perfectly textured without any cracks. It also features a convenient pour spout, making water disposal a breeze. If you are looking for a press that prioritizes ease of use and a perfect tofu block, you should consider this. What people say. This is easy to use and easy to clean. I also like the feature that allows me to drain liquid without opening or disassembling the press. The fact that there's an extra lid to use it as a marinating containers is a good feature as well. Anything that prevents me from having to wash an additional item is a win in my book. Number 4. Yarkor Tofu Press, Dishwasher Safe, BPA Free. Tired of soggy tofu? This press removes water in just 10 to 20 minutes, making your tofu taste better. It's up to 3x more efficient than other methods. Featuring a powerful spring design, this press applies 10 kilograms of pressure. The handles ensure the pressure is strong and even, keeping the tofu perfectly shaped. Forget messy paper towels and heavy objects. This simplifies the process with just a few easy steps. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced cooks. The transparent tray lets you monitor the pressing progress. It also collects excess water, preventing messes. The detachable tray is easy to clean. All components are detachable and dishwasher safe, except the spring. This saves you time and effort, ensuring maximum hygiene and ease of use. Made from premium, BPA-free plastic, this press meets strict food safety standards. Every part is rigorously tested for durability, ensuring the health and safety of you and your family. What we like? This press uses a powerful spring design to apply strong and even pressure, resulting in perfectly shaped tofu. It simplifies the pressing process, eliminating the need for extra tools or cleanup. If you are a beginner or a seasoned chef who values convenience and a tidy kitchen, you should consider this. What people say. It works great, is easy to use and easy to clean. Simple to assemble and clean and drains 90% of the tofu water within an hour. It seems well built, fits large blocks of tofu, is easy to keep clean, and does a great job of pressing the water out of tofu. Number 3. TofuBud Tofu Press, perfect for vegan cooking. This tofu press drains all the moisture in just 15 minutes. It makes tofu extra firm and ready to absorb flavors quickly. You can enjoy restaurant-quality tofu with this kit. You can choose the desired pressure level for different tofu firmness. It works for extra firm tofu or gently draining silken tofu. This maker keeps the shape of tofu blocks. This tofu box has only 6 parts and is simple to use. It's dishwasher safe and user-friendly. Bulk tofu might just become your next passion. This device has a translucent drainer at its base that contains all the drained water. It guarantees no mess or hassle. Enjoy pressed tofu without any drama. This tofu press is made of quality, recyclable, and food-grade materials. It's safe for your food and the planet. Whether you press for 15 minutes or overnight, it fits neatly in your fridge without leaking. Its design keeps tofu blocks firm and intact, with a beautifully even texture. Crafted with durable, food-safe, BPA-free plastic, this kit is built to last. It's 100% recyclable, non-toxic, and dishwasher safe. There are no nasties or compromises. What we like? This tofu press drains all the moisture in just 15 minutes, making your tofu extra firm and ready to absorb flavors quickly. It offers 2 pressure levels, allowing you to customize the firmness of your tofu. If you like restaurant-quality tofu in a hurry, you should consider this. What people say? Works great. Super easy to use and presses tofu quickly without the mess of paper towels. The design is sturdy and easy to clean, and it really improves the texture for cooking. Very easy to use and makes my life simpler. This tofu press is extremely easy to use and clean. It works exactly as I need it to. Number 2. Fullstar 2-in-1 Tofu Press and Cutter, Blue. Tired of messy tofu preparation? This press makes it easy. Just place the tofu, slide the lid, and twist the spring for fast, even pressing. It enhances flavor and texture by draining all the moisture. Say goodbye to spills. The innovative silicone bumper with plug and drainage hole removes excess liquid. It's a cleaner and more efficient way to prepare tofu, keeping your kitchen tidy. We've included a bonus cutting blade for easy cubing after pressing. Fully prep your tofu from drainage to effortless cubing. It's designed for anyone looking for kitchen convenience. Achieve your desired tofu firmness with 2 pressure levels. Choose level 1 for silken tofu or level 2 for firm and extra firm. It's ideal for plant-based eating and healthy cooking. Cleaning is a breeze with the included brush and dishwasher-safe design. Simplify your kitchen routine and enjoy a sparkling cooking space. It's a favorite among home cooks and plant-based eaters. What we like? This press provides fast and even pressing, enhancing the flavor and texture of your tofu. It features a no-mess drainage solution with an innovative silicone bumper. If you are looking for a convenient all-in-one solution for tofu preparation, you should consider this. What people say? Easy to use, easier to clean, and the press works well. The included cutter works really good to cut tofu into pieces. The press works really well, and it's super easy to use. Just set it up, tighten it, and let it do its thing. Number 1. Cheese Mold Kit, perfect for homemade cheese. This cheese mold kit is perfect for making your own cheese at home. It includes 2 sets of molds, making it easy to get started. You'll be able to create delicious, homemade cheese in no time. The cheese molds are made from food-grade polypropylene, ensuring they are safe and long-lasting. They are designed to withstand the weight of cheese presses, so you can make a variety of cheeses. This kit is a reliable choice for any cheese maker. This kit is ideal for making a wide range of cheeses, from soft to hard varieties. It can be used with cow, goat, or sheep's milk. With this kit, the possibilities for cheese making are endless. The set includes everything you need to start making cheese, including molds and a press follower. It's a complete kit for both beginners and experienced cheese makers. It's a great way to explore the world of cheese making. Looking for a unique gift? This cheese mold kit is a great choice for cheese lovers. It comes with a recipe ebook to help them get started. It's a thoughtful and practical gift for any occasion. What we like? This cheese mold is a complete kit for cheese making, perfect for producing various types of cheeses at home. It is made from high-quality, food-grade materials and is designed to sustain cheese press weights. If you are a cheese lover looking to make your own cheese, you should consider this. What people say? Happy with these molds. Nice size and quality. Works well. Fonction parfaitement pour ma production de fromage style boursin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.